Hello everybody, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we'll see a very useful video for people who are using Amazon frequently. That is how to make a wish list. Well, first of all, what exactly is a wish list? Actually, the wish list was intended for people who want to add on their items on the wish list, and they share their items to their near and dear ones so that their wished items are purchased. So maybe it could be their birthday registry or the list of items that you want in their birthday. So instead of receiving random item, they could receive, or they could get the exact item that they need or want. So for that reason, but you can use it for various other purpose, even like an item that you wish to buy but you're waiting for it at a later stage or at a later time when it is perfect for you to buy. So let's see what exactly is a wish list and how to use wish list for your good use. So let's straight away go. You can see you have to open your Amazon app, and in the Amazon app you can see these three bars would be there. So once you press this three bar, it will take you to this page where you can see your wish list. So once you press here, well, this is my wish list. In wish list, you can see to create one wish list, you can directly go to the view list, and in view list you will see the list here, and you can see here something called a plus creative wish list. Once you press here, it will ask you to create a wish list. I'll just create one in front of you to just make you learn how to make a wish list. So here, so in list name, you can write anything, like for example, my New Year list, shopping list. So this is my name of my wish list. Use list to save items for later. All lists are private unless you share them with others. So create a list. So by default, Amazon gives you a public wish list, but the list that you create usually by default gets private. So here what you can do, view list. You can see this is the third list that has come here in the second row, my New Year shopping list. So once I press here, I can manage the list as well. I can just put this three dots. You can see manage list. Then manage list, you can see all the options will become like your list name. You can change here from private to shared or public as well. So once you do shared or public, others would be able to visit your list, like your friends, your family members, or anybody with whom you share the link of that list. So you can change here the privacy settings, recipient, your name, your email, your birthday, description of this list. Write a little something about a recipient of this list, like this information will help others to find your list. Delivery address, some description you can write, why exactly you had prepared this list for. Delivery address, you can give a delivery address as well. By clicking this, it will by default retrieve the existing delivery address that you have already stored in Amazon for general purchase purpose. So here in this three, as you can see in the bottom part, three options will be there. Keep purchased item on your list. If one item is purchased, still that item will be kept in your list, it won't go away. By default, it goes for this don't spoil my surprises. Means if you select don't spoil my surprise, we keep any gift purchases made for you secret for several. Even if that item is purchased, this item will still remain in your wish list as a secret till that day, maybe your birthday or something else. Till that day, if the item has not come, it will still remain in your list. Usually in that list, if you purchase anything in your wish list, it usually gets deleted from wish list so that you don't do double purchases from that list. So if you go for default list, means once you purchase the item, the list will get automatically deleted. So we have gone through that settings of creating a wish list. So I'll go back. So once again, I will press these three dots. You can see you can even share this list or invite to this list. Either you can view only, you can send this link. Once you do that, one link will come which you can share through your social media app, by email, or by any other means. So invite someone to view only. Anyone with their link can view our list without making edits, or view and edit. So let's choose something. So you can copy your link, and link is copied, and you can press this more and share this list on WhatsApp. So once you do, you can share it with anybody. So my wish list is share, help me build my list on Amazon. So this is how you can share your wish list as well with your near and dear ones, your friends, your family members, etc., so that they can also help you out in preparing the list as well as for purchasing items. So this is how you share your list. So I'll go back again. I'll go to view list. So I have told you how to invite, manage your list. You can search your product on the list also. Right now I don't have any product in this list. I can sort or delete a list also. So for example, I already have a list on private. I'll just show you, or a default public wish list. The thing is, a lot many items have been saved in this wish list. Now here we'll see how to add items in the wish list. Well, this is very important. So I'll go to home. For example, I want this item to be added to my wish list. So when you press that particular item, just go to this place like buy now, add to cart, or here always just below this add to cart, you can see there is something called add to wish list. This is the thing that you need to press to add your item to wish list. So I usually use my wish list for say for letter items, the things that I wish to purchase, but not now. When the time is perfect or when the price gets reduced, I want to purchase on those times only. So I just save it to my private wish list. So once I click or select my private wish list, this item has been saved. So let us see. I'll go to my wish list. So this item I have saved in my private. This is my newer shopping list. So it has come here. So the very item that I had saved using the listing page, that item has come to this page. So at any moment I can see what item I had chosen at that period of time by saving it to my wish list. So friends, this is how you can create save items in your wish list. Share your wish list as well on social medias, WhatsApp, etc., with your friends, with your near and dear ones, who will help you prepare your wish list or even purchase the item for you. So friends, personally, I use my wish list as something I need to purchase so that I don't forget that item or that listing page in future, although it can be used for various other purposes. So if you already use this wish list, just tell me in the comment box, how do you use, for what purpose you use wish list, and how useful you find this list on Amazon. So this is it in this video. I hope this video was quite useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please share this video on various platforms so that lot many people come to know about this feature of Amazon. And please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such little technical videos to make your digital life easier and happier. So till our next video, see you again, see you soon. Keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.